Welcome to the ultimate monthly budget spreadsheet. It includes 4 tabs. In the Monthly Budget tab, you manually enter all the necessary data. Once this tab is filled out, the data is transferred to the other tabs, except for the Debt Payoff Tracker tab. Let's go through it step by step. First, select the current month and year, then choose the desired currency. You can add more currencies by clicking the Edit button in the list and making your changes. Next, add names for each table. These names will automatically be added to other tabs and tables. Enter the estimated budget for each table, indicating how much you expect to spend on each item. Then, move to the key table, which is the brain of the entire spreadsheet. Here, you will enter all your actual expenses and income, which will automatically be reflected in other tabs and tables. Double-click on a cell to open the calendar and select the date for the actual income or expense. Dates are mandatory. Without dates, some tables will not update. Choose a category from the list, then a subcategory, and enter the amount. Now let's check if it has been added to the selected category table. Yes, everything is good. If you see that a cell in the due dates column is highlighted, it means it is not needed for the selected category. This column is only relevant for bills, debt, and subscriptions. Thanks to this column, the Bill Calendar tab will be automatically updated for you, as well as the tables in the current tab. For example, I will show you a filled-in table. As you can see, all other tables are automatically filled in for you. If you change the month and year, the tables will update automatically by date. This tab replaces 12 separate monthly tabs. Here you enter all your expenses and income for all years and months. You can also quickly and easily find the transactions you need. Simply double-click on the slicer and choose the column you want to sort by. Then click on the circle and select the parameters you want to keep in the table. Afterward, click the circle again and return all parameters by clicking Select All and OK. The Bill Calendar is a fully automated tab. Just change the month and year, and all bills, debt, and subscriptions will be displayed in the calendar. You can also specify paydays by double-clicking on the cells. The calendar will then display your paydays. Checkboxes are added for visual convenience. You can tick them off when you have paid the necessary bills. In the Syncing Funds tab, all saving names specified in the Monthly tab are automatically transferred here. Highlighted cells indicate that they contain formulas. Do not touch these cells. Enter your target amount that you want to save, the starting capital you are initially contributing, and the monthly contribution amount you will save each month. Then set the due date by which you want to save the money. The rest of the tab will calculate for you. Once you reach the target amount, the progress column will indicate that the goal is achieved. In the Debt Payoff Tracker, add the starting date, monthly amount, and extra payment in the beginning. Add debt's name, balance, the amount you have to pay, interest rate, and minimum payment. Start by adding your easiest-to-pay debts first. If you're not used to this snowball concept, please also do your own research until you fully understand it. Paying off your debts faster results in you spending less money on bank interest. You can find our spreadsheets on my Etsy store, Plan Concept.